In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia trip to Google Calendar seamlessly. This process ensures your trips are never forgotten and helps you stay organized with all your travel plans right from your Google Calendar. So let's dive right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the Google account through which you want to add your trip information. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, head to the top right corner where you'll find the settings icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. This will lead you to the detailed settings options of your Google Calendar where we can make the necessary adjustments. Next, click on the settings menu option. Here, you'll need to locate the event settings section, which is typically found on the left-hand side. Once you're in the event settings, scroll through until you find an option that says Show events automatically created by Gmail in My Calendar. Now this step is crucial because it allows Google Calendar to pull in your trip details directly from your Gmail. Make sure this feature is toggled on to ensure your itinerary from Expedia is automatically displayed in your calendar. Now let's shift our focus to the Expedia website. Head over to Expedia and look for the Sign In option located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged into your Expedia account, navigate to your Trips section. Here, you can confirm your travel details such as flights, hotel bookings, and any other reservations. After you've reviewed your trips, you need to watch your email inbox for an email from Expedia summarizing your itinerary. Google's automatic creation system comes in play here. It detects emails in Gmail that contain information like flight details, hotel reservations, or even restaurant bookings, and it uses this information to populate your Google Calendar with the relevant events. With this setup, you don't have to manually input your travel dates and details into your calendar, saving you time and preventing potential errors. Those events will appear in your Google Calendar, automatically keeping your schedule updated and giving you one less thing to worry about. With these easy and effective steps, your Expedia trip details should now be seamlessly integrated into your Google Calendar. This allows you to keep track of all your travel plans conveniently in one place. Now you're all set to ensure your travels are organized with minimal hassle. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with staying organized. Happy travels!